Hey guys, I'm JD Claridge, co-founder and CEO of XCraft. We've sold a bunch of these X+1s lately through our Black Friday sale, so thought it was time to do kind of a fresh how-to video on unboxing and setup and flight. So we'll get into it. So we've got our instructions here and some cool stickers. The Maverick stickers. Check out the Maverick, that's our latest product. It's a US made ducted rotor drone. It's awesome. Got some X+1 stickers, quick start guide, and a manual, and then some other pamphlets. Definitely read those. Let me get into the X+1 here, and obviously on top you got the main wing. Underneath that, we've got these two things. We call these pylons. These go on the top and bottom, and they're the other two motors for the drone. We've got a battery here, and in fact, we've got two sets of props. We've got a transmitter, we've got a charger, we've got a nose cone. We've got a little GoPro mount. This has some assembly required. Instructions for that are in the manual, so you can mount a GoPro to it. This is a telemetry module. And this is what you'll want to use if you plan a mission or fly this thing autonomously, or you just want to track all the telemetry from your drone. It actually plugs into any computer or through USB, or it can plug into a tablet. We have another cable for plugging it into a tablet. And then you would want to load, we like an app called Q Ground Control. You can just download that, it's a free app. And it allows you to control and change parameters and do whatever you want with your drone, so it's pretty interesting. Other items that we have in here are, we have spinners. You can kind of zoom in on that. So there's black spinners and silver spinners, and the black spinners go on the wing, the silver spinners go on the pylons, or sorry, it's the other way around. Black spinners on the pylons, silver on the wings. We've also got an Allen wrench. We've got our hardware for our attaching our pylons, and then some also hardware for attaching the nose cone. We'll get into that soon. So that's everything in the box. Next step will be assembling the drone.